So one of the challenges you have in running a specialty manufacturing organization is knowing what kind of utilization you're getting out of your machines. And we struggled for years trying to find the right piece of software and the right equipment to help us understand what kind of spindle usage we were getting out of our machines. It was so important because we really needed to know return on investment, we needed to know how many hours we were having in projects, and really, most importantly, how much unmanned time we were getting each and every day. So we had a 3-year search and looked at probably 4 or 5 different companies in that process, and finally figured out that I couldn't find a company that provided a return on investment that would give us an opportunity to really find out that data. And then I met Amper. So we were looking for 3 criteria as we were making a purchase decision. Number 1 is obviously costs, capital costs, to bring that as low as possible. Number 2 was then monthly reoccurring costs. And finally, the third thing was the results that we were going to get from the software, decision-making modules that would help us get better.
So Amper makes it really easy to track your shop floor. And here's what makes it really different. So the traditional way has been to integrate all your machine controllers. We all know that on a shop floor, you have a mix of machines. Some of them are new, some of them are old, maybe different brands. And that can be really hard to integrate. At Amper, we found a really interesting way of looking at the electrical heartbeat of a machine and using that as a signal to translate it into machine data, things like downtime. And so that's allowed folks to connect old and new machines, regardless of brand, regardless of type of equipment.
So Ashkat and his team are brilliant scientists. I believe they're electrical engineers. And the beauty of this system is that they've taken the electrical impulse off of our machines and turned it into usable data. So very quickly, we've been able to see the kind of productivity we're getting out of individual machines, out of individual operators, and allowing that to use that data to help us be more productive across the board. It's allowing us to pass savings on to our customers so that we win more jobs, and allowing us to see what the true return on investment of individual machines is.